Hiyo ni question point kwa ajili ya just ahan zibira kwenda utagenda.
This water is for what?
This one is like a wetland. So even in the wetland areas, so this one is a temporary wetland.